Rondo thermal batteries, in the form of refractory bricks, are capable of storing a large amount of energy in the form of high-temperature heat. These batteries convert intermittent wind and solar energy into steady, affordable, and high-temperature heat required by industries. The planned production of these thermal batteries will cater to the energy needs of various sectors, including mining, metallurgy, fuel production, and food manufacturing. The Rondo thermal battery is a revolutionary device that can store electricity from solar and wind energy and retain it as high-temperature heat in refractory bricks without the use of combustible materials, expensive minerals, or fluids. The refractory brick withstands extremely high temperatures, and the accumulated heat can be delivered on demand at temperatures up to 1,500 degrees Celsius. The Rondo technology promises to provide continuous heat with zero carbon emissions at a lower cost than fossil fuels, which is of significant importance to industries worldwide. Currently, the first Rondo thermal battery is being deployed at an ethanol production plant in California, serving industrial consumers with the highest temperature requirements and serving as the most efficient energy storage solution. Through its subsidiary SRIC, SCG produces high-quality and large-scale refractory bricks. Rondo and SCG are collaborating for the next step towards large-scale industrial decarbonization. The industrial sector consumes more energy than any other part of the global economy, and a significant portion of this energy is used as heat. Industrial heat accounts for a quarter of the world's total energy consumption and contributes to 25% of global CO2 emissions.